Lesson 28, solving equations with variables on both sides. So we're going to start with using an example. (8x equals 3x plus 20). Notice that there is an x on both sides of the equal sign. So we can take one term that has an x in it and subtract it from both sides. That will make this 3x go to 0 and you get 20 left over, and 8x minus 3x is 5x. Then we could divide by 5 and that gives us 1x equals 4. Now you could subtract the 8x instead of the 3x. So let's say we chose to subtract the 8x. So we'll subtract 8x from both sides and we get 0 equals negative 5x plus 20. Now we solve for x by doing inverse operations, the addition and subtraction first. So we're adding 20. We want to do the opposite of add 20, which is subtract 20 from both sides, and then we're going to divide by negative 5. And when you divide a negative by a negative, it becomes a positive, so 4 equals x. Now, an equation is called an identity if it is always true. So if I were to say 3 equals 3, that's an identity because 3 will always equal 3. So here's an example. 2x plus 4 parentheses x plus 3, end your parentheses, equals 2 parentheses 3x plus 6. So we're going to start by using the distributive property. 2x plus 4x plus 12 equals 6x plus 12. We're going to combine like terms. The 2x and the 4x are 6x plus 12 equals 6x plus 12. We'll subtract 6x from both sides and we get 12 equals 12. Well, that's always true. So this particular equation is an identity. If you get an equation that is never true, like 9 equals 8, then there is no solution. That means no matter what number you put in for x, it won't work, or for the variable. So solve, here's an example. 9x minus 5, and in parentheses, 2x plus 1, end parentheses equals 2, parentheses, 3x minus 6, end parentheses, minus 7x. So we're going to begin by using the distributive property. We have negative 10x minus 5 equals 6x minus 12 minus 7x. Then we're going to combine like terms. The 9x minus 10x is negative x minus 5. The 6x minus 7x is negative x minus 12. So we're going to add x to both sides and we get negative 5 equals negative 12. This is never true, so the solution is no solution. You just write no solution. It means it doesn't matter what you plug in for x, you will not get both sides to be equal. That's the end of the lesson.